Okay, we're recording. This is the Falcon 3D with the Cpd4 Copilot. Hovering. Van Janway is the pilot.
15-mile wind.
There's a 15-mile-per-hour wind, probably gusting to 20 at times. Okay, here we go. And Van this is probably his 30th flight with the Falcon 3D. And he's up about 300 feet. The wind's blowing it back. Over the trees. And we're flying at the park in Sheridan, California. Nice stable hover. Cpd4 assisting us here. Wind's gusting, but it's still stable. Stable as a rock. Yep, that Cpd4 really works. And we're beginners, so figure the odds doing this without it. Yeah. Here we go, forward flight. Have no fear. Bringing her back. Spinning her around like a top, but we are under control here. The helicopter's about 150 feet up, heading into the wind. Wind is gusting at about 15 to 20 miles per hour. Nice stable hover. Here we go one more time. And that's it. And there's our pilot.
Yeah.
Okay. Get her done. The cable guy does it again.